Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make a simple flower style pendant and matching earring set. This design is soft, delicate, and very beginner friendly. By changing the bead combinations, you can create many different looks using the same flower structure, as you can see from the examples shown here. You can also wear this pendant on a simple twisted necklace, like the two-strand twisted design from my previous video. I prepared a few color variations using pearls, gemstones, and rondelles, so you can see how versatile this design is. All of the examples use the same construction, only the colors and bead combinations are different. For today's tutorial, I'll be making the green aventurine set. Before we start, let me briefly introduce the materials used for the other examples shown in the video. 2 color variation pendant and earrings, 1 8mm pearl, 4 4mm amethyst beads, 4 3x4mm rondelles, size 11 seed beads, 4 color variation pendant and earrings, 1 8mm pearl, 8 3x4mm rondelles, size 11 seed beads. These are materials for one piece. For a full set, please multiply the materials by 3. If you're using coated pearls, just handle the rondelles gently since sharp edges can scratch the coating. Also, when you use 3x4mm beads, the flower will be a bit tighter, and the pearl will stick out just slightly, which gives the flower a little more dimension. Alright, let's get started. We'll make the pendant first, and then the earrings. Here are the materials for the green aventurine flower pendant. 1 8mm pearl, 8 4mm green aventurine beads, size 11 seed beads, 4 pounds fishing line. During the tutorial, I'll refer to the fishing line as thread. Cut about 20 inches of 4 pounds fishing line. If it helps, you can color the tips of the thread so they're easier to see. Pick up 8 green aventurine beads. Pass one end through the first bead to make a circle. Then pass through 2 more beads. The second one will be the top bead. Check both thread lengths and adjust them so they're the same. Now add the 8mm pearl. Pass one thread through the pearl and pass the other thread through the pearl from the opposite side. Pull both ends to tighten. The pearl should now sit in the center like this. Next, find the 2 beads directly across from the pearl at the bottom of the circle. Take one thread and pass it into the bead on that side from the top hole down. Then continue passing through the next bead right after it. Now take the other thread and do the same thing on the opposite side. Pass it into the bead from top hole down, then continue passing through the next bead. Now both threads are coming out of the same green aventurine bead from opposite side. Pull both threads gently to close the circle tightly. This bead becomes the top bead, and the side where the pearl sticks out slightly is the front. Now let's make the bail. Pick up 1 seed bead with the right thread, then pass the left thread through the same bead from the other side. Gently pull both threads. you'll see one seed bead sitting on top of the bead circle. Repeat this step. Right thread through one seed bead, left thread through the same bead from the other side. Gently pull. Now you have 2 seed beads on top. Repeat this step 5 more times until you have 7 seed beads on top of the green aventurine bead. If you want a longer bail, simply add more seed beads. Now you have 7 seed beads on top of the green aventurine bead. Next, take each thread coming out of the top seed bead and pass it down through the bottom seed bead on its own side. Pull both ends gently. Now the shape is complete. At this point, the threads are coming out of the seed bead just above the top green aventurine. Take one thread and pass it down through the green aventurine bead beneath it. Do the same with the other thread. Now both threads are coming out of the top green aventurine bead. Pass one thread through 3 green aventurine beads and pass the other thread through 4 green aventurine beads. When the 2 threads meet, tie double knots. After that, weave the threads around a bit and tie another set of double knots, making sure the knots are not stacked in the same place. Once you have 2 secure sets of knots, pass each thread through a few beads and trim the excess. That's it. Now let's move on to the earrings. Here are the materials for the green aventurine flower earrings. 2 8mm pearls, 16 4mm green aventurine beads, size 11 seed beads, 2 fishhook earrings, 4 pounds fishing line. During the tutorial, I'll refer to the fishing line as thread. For the earrings, we'll start by making the same flower unit as the pendant. If you're here just for the earrings, please follow the pendant flower steps first and then come back here. Instead of making a bail, we'll use seed beads to connect the flower unit to the earring hook. Add 1 seed bead and cross the threads through it to sit on top of the circle. Gently pull both threads. Add 3 seed beads on one thread and 3 seed beads on the other thread. Pick up an earring hook and pass each thread through the small loop, one from each side. Make sure the side where the pearl sticks out slightly is the front of the earring. It should look like this. Now cross the threads through each other's 3 seed beads, and then pass both threads through the center seed bead above the green aventurine. Pull gently to shape and secure the loop. At this point, the threads are coming out of the seed bead above the green aventurine. Take one thread and pass it down through the green aventurine beneath it. Do the same with the other thread. Now both threads are coming out of the top green aventurine bead. To finish, secure the threads the same way we did for the pendant. Pass each thread through a few green aventurine beads until they meet and tie double knots. Weave the threads around a bit, tie another set of double knots, then pass through a few beads and trim the excess. All done. Make the second earring and enjoy your beautiful flower pendant and earring set.